everyone, my name is Ava and I chose to do my presentation on orangutans or Pongo pygmaeus. The origins of the word orangutan translate to person of the forest, and orangutans are native to the rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra. Orangutans utilize primary tropical rainforests and old secondary forests at low elevations, though they may also venture into grasslands. One of the most critical aspects of their behavior is finding food. Orangutans show two large peaks of activity, conserving their energy throughout the day. Their foraging behavior is heavily influenced by the rainforest environment, which features seasonal fluctuations in fruit availability. This reliance on fruit drives their movement patterns, as orangutans often travel large distances within their home range to find food. The environment has shaped their ability to remember the locations and fruiting schedules of trees. They also minimize unnecessary movement and may spend long periods of resting when food is scarce. Orangutans often forage alone to reduce competition, and this lifestyle is directly tied to the dispersed nature of their food sources. The most significant human activities impacting orangutans is habitat destruction and deforestation. On a day-to-day basis, this destruction forces orangutans to travel longer distances to find food, exposing them to greater risks, including starvation and increased encounters with humans. It also makes them more vulnerable to poaching and more human-wildlife conflict. The effects of deforestation have left orangutans to be critically endangered, and long-term deforestation threatens their survival by fragmenting their habitats, isolating populations, and therefore reducing genetic diversity. Orangutans are forced to find resources elsewhere, often encountering humans where they are considered pests. The lesser opportunities to find greater sources force them to find food with less nutritional value. Orangutans are a species at high risk of extinction due to deforestation. Some traits that make them particularly vulnerable to deforestation and extinction are their slow reproductive rates, arboreal lifestyle, diet, territory behaviors, and low population density. However, there are some existing behaviors and traits that may enhance their chances of survival. Their dietary flexibility allows them to consume a wide range of foods when fruit is scarce. Their solitary and low-energy lifestyle conserves resources and reduces competition. If conditions worsen, orangutans may need to develop or evolve new strategies. They may adapt to living in more open or human-modified landscapes by spending more time on the ground. They may also evolve enhanced problem-solving skills or increase boldness around human settlements, allowing them to exploit agricultural areas or new food sources. Conservation efforts such as reforestation and creating wildlife corridors offer opportunities to mitigate some of these impacts. Here are my sources that I use, and thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed.